Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Passion. Please welcome to Home Garden and Passion. First of all, I would like to thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and please do go to my Facebook fan page and give me a like there if you haven't been there already. In today's video, I'm going to review this GT Parmigiano, and this is from a company called Michelina's Japans, and this is unpaid review. And this GT Parmigiano I bought quite a few times, and this is for kids, and my kid like this one, so sometimes I buy this, and this is really very convenient and very cheap too. This is just $1. So to make it, all you need to do is just open, and when you open it, you see it has the tomato sauce and the noodles, and I just pour it in the pan. So I'm going to open 2 boxes, and this makes a nice school lunch. You can give your kid the school lunch, and you know, the children, they like variety, so every day you have to give different things. And so sometimes I do this, and then sometimes I make it from the scratch. Now all you need to do is, you can heat it up in the microwave, but I do not like using microwave, so I put directly in the pan, and then I add little bit of water to it. So I'm going to add just a little bit of water, about say half a cup, and then to this, this has salt already. This is salty. You do not need to add any salt or anything, but I add just a little bit of spice. So this is little bit of meat masala, so I'm going to add just a little bit of spice to give it a little kick, very tiny bit, about a pinch. Since this is for kids, I'm going to add very tiny bit, but if it's for grown up and you like it hot and spicy, you can add little bit more masala. You can actually add it the chana masala blend or the meat masala, and I'll cover it, and I will just cook it about 5 to 10 minutes. In 10 minutes this is completely done, and then I'll give you a picture. And this makes a nice lunch or dinner, but you're not going to eat it every day, just once in a while. And this really different variety, so they have many different other varieties of things coming, so I use this one, and I will review other things for other day. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video, but I will be giving you a picture at the end. So as you see, this is getting cooked properly, so this way, you know, this was frozen, so I like to heat it properly, and I will be done when there is no liquid left. So I will just heat it up, in about high heat I'm heating up, and when there is no liquid left, then it will be done. So as you see now, there is no liquid left, all the liquid has soaked, and this is really nice and hot, and this makes a nice lunch or dinner. And all you need to do is just use 1 or 2 boxes, and it's good enough for 1 or 2 small kids, and this is really nice, so I would give it a future try, and I really love it, and that's why I did a review for this one. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video, and I will be seeing you with many more videos. Just for the record, this is a unpaid video. No one paid me to do this video. I just did it because my kid loved this one. Thank you. Bye bye. So this is the final look. As you see, this really looks yummy, and I would give it a further try again.